Dashboard, this video is going to give you a full comprehensive review and tutorial of how I use the product with my personal trading strategy. So number one, if you don't know my personal trading strategy, I will leave links down below. I taught it free of charge on my YouTube channel. I'll leave links to part 1 and 2 so you can watch the entire series on exactly how I day trade for a living. Great, now that you understand how I day trade for a living, you're probably wondering what these arrows are for. These arrows are pointing out 2 of my 3 confirmations I look for before getting into a trade. In this case, it looks for a tweezer with an engulfing candle. So if you know my 3 rules, I look for a tweezer with an engulfing candle at a key zone of support or resistance. So in this case, what kind of zone is this? We're on the 4-hour time frame for US 30. And of course, this strategy works for anything you trade. You could trade cow poop. It doesn't matter what you're trading. It works on anything. I've traded it on almost everything and it works just fine. You're never going to have a 100% success rate, but the whole point is catching very big swing trades. Like the risk to reward is insane. And using Dashboard is going to help you get those insane risk to reward trades. I had someone on Instagram send me before and after pictures of a trade that they just got in. So this thing, it works very well. So let me show you this really quick. Right here, we're at a key zone of resistance. Okay, great zone of resistance here, resistance. 4-hour time frame, no one can deny that this is a great zone of resistance. So that's rule number 1. Rule number 2 and 3, basically, we see my indicator, which means tweezer with an engulfing candle. Okay. Now that we covered my strategy and how that works, let's implement this with Dashboard. So if you don't know what Dashboard is, it is a software that gives you trend detection. Okay. So my indicator helps you with entry detection, but now we're taking it a step further and we're using this product called Dashboard for trend detection. Okay, so as you can see right here is US 30, and this is on the 4-hour time frame. It says peak formation high. If you didn't already watch my previous video, the vlog video, I explained what this means. A peak formation high basically just means it's the start of a bearish market, and the start of the bearish market of the bearish trend was up here. If it says peak formation low, let's check out NZD CHF. You see how it says 6 PFL? That means 6 days ago the trend became bullish. So that number next to PFL or PFH, it just means how many days ago did the trend change. So 6 days ago, the trend changed from bearish to bullish. Okay, now that we have that clear, let's check out US 30. So here is US 30. As you can see, it says PFH 12. So 12 days ago, the trend changed to bearish. Let's go on the 4-hour time frame, just so it's the same as my MetaTrader view. What do you see up here? We're at this key zone of resistance and we see the indicator. Therefore, we enter the short. We enter the sell position. And look at how far that thing fell. Okay? So we see a tweezer top with a bearish engulfing candle at a key zone of resistance, and Dashboard also tells you that we're in a bearish market. Therefore, it is undeniable that we get into a sell position. In other words, to simplify this entire video for you, we are still using the same strategy that I taught on my YouTube channel. We are just using Dashboard as confirmation for that trade. That is it. So we're still using the exact same strategy. Nothing has changed. The only thing that we are adding is trend detection. This pretty much gives you a clear-cut, dry trade to get into. And if you watch my videos, you know where I place my take profits. So my take profit 3 would easily be down here. Now you could technically say that my take profit 3 could be all the way down here, but I'd probably go for take profit 3 right here just because it's US 30 moves very fast. This would have been a lot of money to begin with. So our take profit 3 for the sell position right here would have been all the way down here, and look what happened. We just hit take profit 3. So that right there is the simplicity behind how I trade with Dashboard. If you follow me on Instagram, you see the trades that I just got out of today. I'm already done trading for the day. I made like 1,400, 1,300. I forgot how much I made already. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do, because I post my daily profits there. If you want to check out that trade, I'll post before and after pictures of what it looked like right here. This morning, I recorded me closing both trades for silver and gold, but I realized that my recording software was paused. so I didn't even get it on video. The screenshot I'm going to upload is a screenshot from when I was recording it so you can see the open trades. Basically, I made hundreds of pips overnight because I combined dashboard with my personal trading strategy. So I hope you enjoy that video and you can see how powerful it can be when you combine a trend detection platform with an entry detection indicator. And that right there can just completely change the way you trade because you no longer have to predict. You no longer have to guess. Are we in a bullish market? Are we in a bearish market? The dashboard product is going to tell you right then and there whether you're bullish or bearish. And then all you have to do is have some kind of entry detection and you're good to go. So that's it for this video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.